Testing. Okay, it's working. Okay, as some of you guys know, I like to post my videos on YouTube. I already posted like one, and I'm thinking like this one should like be a day in the life, or it shouldn't be, because I think this. Oh, biscuits. Okay, I was thinking nobody want to hear that. Okay, I was thinking like it should be a day in the life of Oh my god. Okay, I was thinking it should be like, oh my god, this cover. Like it should be like a day in the life, because like this is a new family I only done one episode of it, and it's like a whole bunch of family drama. Like the mom is gonna break up with the dad, and the dad's gonna get mad. He's gonna get. I was just joking about that, but like I don't know what like the series of it should be, because I have episodes like the one I just posted on YouTube, but I think there's like be a series, like series 1, series 2. Yeah, so it's gonna be 5 episodes in each series. Okay. So yeah, I'm just doing a day in the life of the family. So we got, sometimes I be forgetting that the baby Angel is here, bro, because she like I don't even know how to explain this, but she needs to have her crib, her little hamper, because every time that's what happened. So I'm gonna just place her at the bottom if I can't. Okay. Her little diaper bag I really do not use, because I barely be thinking about it. But let's just get on with the role play, I guess. And guys, don't forget to like and sub. Okay. Oh my god. I really don't know what just happened. Like, one day I'm woke, and the other day I just don't know what happened. I was at the party and hold on, I think I was recording it. Snickers, what are you doing in my bed? Whatever, that's your usual response. I was recording it. Hey, it's a party! Oh my god, it's so much fun, bestie, right? Oh my god, it's so much fun. Guys, there's like a person in the back holding a knife, like no, but had brass knuckles on it. He just punched. Had a big bowling ball. He just not a bowling ball, a ball. He knocked upside her unconscious. So that's what happened. I don't think you guys started one because I was like not recording at that point, but I should have been recording. Who is that? Let me zoom in. Oh my god, that's Davis. My ex-boyfriend. Okay, I don't know what happened to the breaking news, but let's just turn it on. Yeah, something just be wrong with my TV. Sometimes it just... I'll be back. I'll just be back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, breaking news. We have now found not the killer, but the whatever you call him, whatchamacallit, person of Hazel Parker. He has now been sentenced life in prison for putting the Parker's daughter in a coma for 7 weeks. 7 weeks? I thought it was just sleep yesterday. Oh my gosh. I got to see if my friends are worried about me. If you guys don't know, this was the outfit. It was a very cute outfit that she was wearing to the party. It was this outfit right there. You see the pink outfit? This outfit. It was so cute. She was just at the party vibing to She just passed out. Yeah, I think I'll just remake the video of that part or not. I probably won't. Ugh, don't know what happened. Oh, I'm not getting dressed. I literally have to go take a freaking shower. Just take this with me. Huh. Who's calling me at this point? It's only 7 in the morning. I will get you. I will make sure to get you. Close this phone. That was not funny. I bet that was Park. I bet that was Jones. He's always doing pranks on me like this. And if you guys don't know Jones, that's her like ex stepbrother because her dad was dating somebody, but then they broke up. They was married, then they broke up. But Jones and her go to the same school, so yeah. Ugh, I hate Jones. Jones is the worst. Like, he literally plays jokes that are not funny. I just got out of a coma. He wanna play jokes like this? I could be in a wheelchair by now. Guys, don't mind the tapping noises. I'm literally just not doing anything. Just wash my hands. And my face. Oh my god, bro. Why does this always have to happen? Okay. Bro. Okay, let me hold the soap. And put that back in the bowl. Put that right there. Okay. Comb my hair. Okay. I just put my face mask right there and done. Brush. Oh my god, where did my toothbrushes go? I don't know. It has it. Okay, finally. Oh, that's mom and dad's toothbrush. Ah, I need the toothpaste. Still can't believe that my ex-boyfriend put me in a coma for 7 weeks actually. I was gonna say 7 days. And now he got my head messed up. I don't even know what happened. I forget easily, but I think that concussion made me forget even more. And I had school last week and the day before last week. I had school 7 weeks ago, and I missed that because it's all my fault. Mom and dad told me not to go to the party, but I didn't listen. Probably just won't go anywhere. Probably just stay home. Probably just need some rest. I'll just take a nap later on. Or not. My fingernail polish is supposed to be right there. Maybe I'll paint. Yeah, it sounds way more fun than doing homework. Plus, they probably just gonna say I don't have to go to school today or tomorrow because of the incident. But I really wanted to go to school because we were gonna have a carnival event and a field trip, and it was actually not gonna be at the school. Oh, but I just had to miss it. Just sketch. I don't wanna paint. Ugh, this don't look right. Kinda tired. I'll just drink some tea and watch TikTok. Watch Instagram. Maybe all my friends are just posting stuff about me. I was in a coma for 7 weeks. Could have been in there for like a month. Sorry guys, I just paused for a moment because I was thinking, is it 7 weeks a month? No, it's like a half a month. Not really a month, but like kind of a month. Guys, this has been annoying me. So I just had the urge to just put it right there because that's been behind her ever since I built this house. We all miss Sophie. She passed away 2 days ago. What? Sophie? She's not even in our friend group anymore. I thought everybody was just gossiping about her because she was like cool and popular whatsoever. Let me just keep scrolling. Sophie, Alexander, I ship you guys. So nobody was talking about me. I was in a coma and it was on the news. Sophie's death was not on the news. I just thought they would like care about me. Thanks, Snickers. You and my family are the only one who care about me. I hear crying. Just my normal sister day. Wait, huh? It's not Angel. Wait, you're woke. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Wait, why are you crying? I don't want to talk about it. They all forgot about me. I was in a coma for 7 weeks and on the news, and they didn't even think about texting me. Bling, bling, bling. Huh? Probably just some notification from an app. Probably got Venmo'd. Well, at least somebody Venmo'd me. Huh? Cash App? Oh, I just got Cash App $1 billion. What? Oh my god, I have to tell Mama that. Wait, I don't think I'm ready to tell them yet. What? Why not? They're your mom and dad. I know, but I don't think I'm just that sure that I should just tell them right away. I think I should just keep it a secret for a few days. Can you please not tell them? Fine, but we have to make a deal. What's the deal? You have to let me use your skincare for how long is this deal? 10 days. You have to let me use your skincare for 10 days. What? No, of course not. Well, then I guess the deal is canceled. Ugh, fine. You can use my skincare. But just don't mess anything up. And I'm sorry if I sound sick. I'm not sick. I just have a stuffed nose. It's very cold. And I'm so happy to go to school. I don't know about you other people, but I'm so happy to go to school. It's like I go to school on September the 2nd, I think. So next week. Yeah. And you have to let me use your paint tools. My most precious paint tools? Even my coloring book? Yep. Remember the deal. Fine. Oh, you're so annoying. And by the way, guys, I'm just doing a matte face because I don't have the third little button thing. I don't have the rolling eyes thing. So yeah. Deal. They shake hands. Okay. So let me just start with the skincare. Oh, I gotta go get my iPad to show everybody on TikTok. She has TikTok. Oh my god, I need to follow her so I could just, yeah. So my followers could equal up to who the people I'm following. Okay. Where is my iPad? I know mommy wouldn't hide it. Ah, found it. Wait, first I have to add you. You know, just for girly things. Why do you want to add me? So I can watch your TikToks. I love watching TikToks. Fine. Is Batty Preppy. Batty Preppy. Rose. Batty Preppy Rose. No underscores? Girl, oh my god, you're so not preppy or a baddie. Whatever. M2, let me just record. Don't make a sound. Boom, boom, boom. It starts. Hi everybody, so I got new skincare, of course, but I only get to use it for 10 days because she tells them something. Okay, first I'm gonna start with my Sol de Janeiro perfume, obviously. And then I'm just gonna put on this lovely sunscreen. And then last but not least, I'm gonna use my gua sha. And I'm done. Bye baddies, bye preppy girlies. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, that was so boring. It was just to gain some followers, I guess. But anyways, really don't know what to do. Yeah, me neither. I think we should go to the supermarket. Let's go. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm positive. I'll just bring my phone. And yeah. Do you want your juice box? Of course I want my juice box. Why wouldn't I want my juice box? And I'm not going to wear something revealing. And last but not least, my headband. Wait, I think this dress will really match you. Of course it would. What did I just put back? Okay. Come on. At the supermarket. I just need to get the people. Okay. At the supermarket. Just go pick out any snacks you want and then just meet me at the checkout. Need this. You fatty. And I don't think we need anything else. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I just need to pay. I don't know. Okay. Ching. Thank you for your service. Have a nice day. You, you too. Wait, aren't you the girl from... Oh no. She's the girl from the news. Everybody, come on, surround her. Run! At home. Hurry up. Guys, I think I should like put the movement feature back on. So after I'm like done putting like the food up, I'm like go and put the movement feature back on. Cause it was like, it's not that bad, it's not that good, but I can handle it. Just put the pantry stuff in there, yeah. Okay, I'll keep my word, but let's just put them up first. Okay, let's just sit down. Let's play Roblox. Yeah, okay. Ugh. They pooped on me. Oh my god, that's so disgusting. Okay, let's turn the movement feature back on. And yeah, the movement feature is back on. So we should be okay. I think it'll give me all 3 packs of my emojis. Okay, let's just hope. If it works, I can keep the movement feature. If it don't work, I have to keep the movement feature as well. Come on, I'm so impatient. My name is Pink and really got to meet you. Recommended me by some people. Hey, ooh, is this illegal? Hey, ooh, it feels illegal. So, I don't know what happened. My movement feature is not on. Like, see. So yeah, I'm not. Maybe if I get off Toka, it'll work. Maybe. I'm not saying it will. I'm saying maybe. But first, I need to show you guys one of my videos that I made. Oh my god. It's 10 o'clock. And I love, okay, so I need to show you my favorite, also my favorite, person on Toka on like YouTube. It is Toka Gohar. Okay, I love all her videos. And this is like my channel. But it's on my grandma's account, so yeah. It replaced it with Today Matt. I said Toka Matt, but it replaced it with Today. Hello everybody, today I'm going to be... This is like one of my old videos from like a couple days ago. Any. It doesn't do anything weird. Okay. Okay, girls. Take 5. 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7. Hold on. No! Guys, that's it. Huh? 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 And yeah. Okay. So I got off Toka and it's trying to get back on Toka. Don't mind me because I'm at my grandma's house. So like I won't be posting like for a few days because like I'm not gonna be at my grandma's house. I'm gonna go to my house. And yeah, probably not gonna go to like Toka for a little while. So yeah. But yeah, that's all I gotta say. Okay, I was trying to say because if it took me to the shop, I would have threw the phone across the room. My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. You recognize me by some people. Hey, ooh, is this really good? Hey, huh?
Where's it this snippet?
I don't know.
It was on the scene.
Callie had it. My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. You recognize me by some people. Hey, ooh, is this illegal? Hey, ooh, if it's illegal. My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. You recognize me by some people. Hey, ooh, is this illegal? Hey, ooh, if it's illegal. My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. You recognize me by some people. Hey, ooh. I don't know. Okay, now my movement feature is working. And I got 3, yes! Okay, right. Finally. Okay, and I could use a voice thingy. Oh my god. My name is Pink and I'm really So I'm gonna turn this off. This is so good. I know, right?
Inside, we can confirm with all the things that are internally with us that we all bear witness that we're
Okay.
all connected.
So yeah, we're done with the cappuccinos, and yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think I want some. Whoa, what do I want? I don't know what to do now. I'm all of a sudden so hyped, and I was just like bored. I can't believe people surrounded us at the store. Which reminds me, did you get some chips at least? Tell me you got some chips. Oh, I think I did. Thank God.
It comes out into the physical reality, but it is like not exactly.
We have a whole bag to look through. Oh.
So this lets us know.
Why are we crying? I don't know. How come you don't know anything? Don't know. Well, let's just see like if they're in there. That egg's still in there. Oh my God. No para. Okay, so we have a whole bag to look through of vegetables. Really, you only got vegetables? Hey, I got healthy stuff. Yeah. Okay, potato chips. There's only one bag. You're not getting them? No, give them back. Give them. You can't reach them. You can't reach them. You can't reach them. Oh no, I dropped the bag of chips. Got it. Yummy. Oh, you just did not. I just did. Oh, psh. Ow. You big back. Get out of my room. Whatever. Just take a nap. Going to sleep. So this roleplay was just about just like Hazel and Rose. So yeah.
That is hilarious to me. Any real artist draws from their mind's eye, and so it gives.
Good night, Snickers. And good night to you guys. So that's all I'm posting for today. And I don't think I'm gonna post tomorrow, but yeah. I think I'm just like gonna like show you of me going to the store because I'm getting me some chocolate in the morning, obviously.